Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and before I go on with this Burgh unboxing, I'm going to read a letter to you. Got a letter. Here it is. I should hire this guy as the artwork guy for my channel. I like that. And it says, George, we're sending you a little money so you can go to Alien Con. Sorry it can't be more. We like watching your videos. It's hard to understand why people don't send you more donations. Anyway, we can send more when we can. I have also been a fan of Art Bell for a long time. He is how I became interested in ufology and the paranormal. I guess the daily news is so depressing it's hard to think of visitors from somewhere else. So yeah, Art Bell was a real deal. He is greatly missed. Do you watch a YouTube channel called Secure Team 10? Yes, I do. A young man by the name of Tyler runs it. It's a top-notch channel. Well, thank you, Daryl, for this. And Daryl sent me, they already sent me, Daryl and Zach, $23. And here in this morning's envelope is $45. So that's almost enough for one way. So I thank you again. All right. And there's one more craziness. They came by here and they brought me a new microwave. They put in a new shower head. They put in a new faucet. But they're not allowed to weatherize my front door, so I'm still freezing. I don't understand that. And when I called them up, they said, we're not allowed to do any invasive procedures. I don't get it. All right. Here's number one. And this says, thank you for the order. Smiley face. And I don't have batteries at hand, so I'll have to test this, but there is the new Mighty Mouse. And so I thank you again, and this gives me the ability to have a second mouse when I get the other Mac fixed or replaced. And Apple today, they are now putting Mac Pros in refurbished for the first time at 15% off. Okay, thank you again, Daryl, and I will tape this and cut the back off, and I'll have this hanging up prominently on the wall there under my bookcase when I do the next live video. All right. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Stay warm, dry, wet, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe out there. And I'll be back in a minute with another video. Bye-bye. Thank you, Daryl.